Good wishes, friends. I know many of you are in a confused state regarding the management of type 2 diabetes. There are so many videos with the social media which has come up, which is causing so much of confusion regarding the management of diabetes. One such video which has caused recently big confusion is regarding the fructose and glucose and sucrose and so on. So I'm sure you're all in a confused state. Because I have been flooded with so many questions and queries from patients, relatives, and friends. So what I thought, I'll make a small video so that I can tell you the facts and figures regarding the glucose, fructose, and sucrose, and so on. If you take that particular video, I'm just trying to quote that video because that has created the confusion. Fructose, yes, it is a sugar. It is mainly present in fruits. That is why it is called as fruit sugar. So in limited amount, if you take, it is good for the health. But if you take it in an excess amount, it is definitely not good for health. What happens to fructose is once you take it, means once you eat it, it goes to the intestine from where it is absorbed. From there, it is goes to liver where it is metabolized. If you take too much of fructose, it can be very harmful. It causes weight gain, accumulation of fat around the major organs like kidney, liver, heart, etc. And it causes insulin resistance. That is one of the major concerns in our patients, like especially Asian patients. So it causes that. And another important thing is it causes abnormal cholesterol level. So too much of fructose can be harmful to the body. So taking fructose in limited amount is very important considering these harmful effects. So daily, if you take daily allowed quantity of fructose to the human body is 30 to 40 grams per day. So certain videos, if you have seen that particular video as shown, you can take one dozen of banana or 1 kg of mango, and he has said that it will cure diabetes. Unfortunately, it is not so true, because if you take 100 grams of mango, roughly, if you that is the amount of fructose in it is 8 to 10 grams. So too much of mangoes can take too much of fructose inside the body, and this can be very harmful to the body. So taking fructose is not very good if it is in too much of amount. Limited amount, say 30 to 40 grams per day, it is good for the body. If you closely watch that video, what he has done, he has added the fructose into the blood and then measured the glucose using a glucometer. Glucometer is mainly used to measure glucose, not the fructose. So there should not be any confusion at all. Instead of that, what he could have done is, he could have ingested the fructose, which goes into the body. After 2 to 3 hours, if he would have measured the glucose, that would have been the correct method in estimating the glucose level. So friends, type 2 diabetes is a friendly disease which is spreading like a tsunami all over the India as well as all over the world. So we have to tackle this issue in a very serious way. It requires a multidisciplinary approach, like we should collectively work as a team, which includes doctors, patients, public. So all of them, we should join hands to hand and they take a serious action to control this friendly disease. Why I'm telling friendly disease means it is a disease which we take care as a friend, it will be there with you. You can live happily to 100 years as well. But it will, if you neglect it, it is going to eat slowly all the major organs like kidney, eyes, heart, nerves, etc. and so on. So controlling diabetes is very important. There is no shortcut to your health and wealth, my dear friends. Always I say to my patient, controlling diabetes is like 100%. If you take it as an 100%, 50% we need support from you. 50% is from your doctor's advice. 50% from your side means what? Like what we expect as a doctor from you is doing proper diet and exercise. If you do it proper diet and exercise, your diabetes can be well controlled. There is nothing like diabetes diet. So don't get confused. It is always an individualized diet. It's like as a doctor as well as our dietitian, we can plan you according to what you eat. So that is the particular diet, what we call as individualized diet. So please don't get confused. So doing proper dieting and exercise is very, very utmost important. So life is simple. So keep it simple as well. Likewise, diabetes is also simple. If you take care of it very well, it is not going to cause any harm for you at all. Another important thing, my dear friends, is don't get confused yourself by seeing so many unwanted videos in various social medias. Because you take, for example, you take any simple issue, if you ask for a video, it will be there in any of the social medias. So as a doctor, we always say, if you are seeing videos, let it be very simple. Don't take it seriously. Whatever the thing is there, you should clarify with your doctor. When you see a doctor, just listen to him what doctor is taking, what doctor is telling. Don't get confused, and you should not keep on asking the doctor the advice what you got from your friends, your relatives, because what is happening nowadays, each person, like each patient, is becoming a doctor on its own. So he develops personal opinion and he keeps on spreading the issues. That makes the people very confusing, and they'll come to me and ask me, doctor, what to do, what not to do. So many issues are there. So I always tell the patient, if you are seeing media, social medias, videos or anything, please don't come. Don't ask those questions. Please, you have come here to listen to my advice. Please follow that advice. It is very simple. I'm not telling you any complicated advice, because if you see the videos, for everything there is some confusing issues. So my dear friends, if you want to see really the media, really the videos, kindly listen to some good music, see good sports, see good movies. Let it be limited to that, not related to health issues or so many other bad issues. Why I'm telling that videos are bad? Because there is so many false messages which is being spread all over the world. Like if you take in our Karnataka or as well as in India, there are so many things which is going on, saying, for example, to tell you what are the wrong messages which is being spread. So diabetes can be cured with some leaves. In Vasur, they are giving some leaves which take care of diabetes. In Chhattisgarh, they are doing some magic treatment which will cure diabetes. There are some leaves which will cure diabetes. So like this, there are so many messages, wrong messages, which is being circulated among the patients and public and causing a lot of confusion. Always remember, diabetes is a widespread disease. So each individual is different. You should not compare yourself to other individual. For example, I am sure you would have seen among your friends and patients and relatives, some persons will be well controlled with one tablet, some persons will be not controlled with 2 to 3 tablets, some persons would have been already been insulin within couple of years as well. So comparing each person is not suitable at all. So your doctor will decide what best treatment is for you and what best dieting pattern and exercise pattern is good for you. So you have to follow that instruction. So my dear friends, please don't get confused by seeing so many videos. And why I'm telling that, one more example I want to quote is, there is a condition called stress-induced diabetes, where temporarily because of stress, the sugar is raised to that particular person. When the stress is taken out and the person does the diet and exercise, the sugar can be completely cured. This makes some people that, oh, I have cured this diabetes. If without doing anything, that person diabetes would have been cured anyway. But some people goes on claiming that I have cured diabetes for this patient. So this is not correct. So please don't get confused. follow the simple principle of life. What is that? If you don't find time for exercise today, you will find those time in the future for your sickness. So please utilize the time properly. Pay equal attention to your health, wealth, as well as spirituality. To combat this diabetes, I thought I should do something. So I have started Karnataka Diabetes Brigade. It is one of the kind under my Dr. Arvind Diabetes Center. It is totally free of cost. The main motto of this Karnataka Diabetes Brigade is to educate people, public, students, various quarters regarding the diabetes, regarding the importance of exercise, regarding the importance of dieting, regarding avoiding junk foods like pizza, burgers, and various aerated drinks, regarding the importance of regular walking, exercise, and all, avoiding social medias, avoiding mobile networks, avoiding computers. So many issues are there to be discussed. What is the other motto is, main thing is, we should form a platform, like we should form a team in such a way so that we can bring all these activities together. So for this, I request those who have time, I'm sure everybody would have time. So those who have time, like ladies, housewives, retired people, politicians, bureaucrats, and we'll request NGOs also to participate with us so that we can bring forward and bring awareness regarding the spread of diabetes, and we can plan a strategy to prevent the onset as well as progression of diabetes. Other important motto is keeping a platform, we can plan a strategy, meet the policy makers, meet the chief minister as well as the governor if possible, and request them and update them about the recent spread of diabetes, recent onset of diabetes, and educate them so that they can take some strict action, they can make some strict laws against this food adulteration, against the junk food. These are the things we can do as a collective unit through this Karnataka Diabetic Brigade. So I request all of you, whoever possible, kindly register within this Karnataka Diabetes Brigade, and we can work collectively for the betterment of the society. Kindly note, this registration and your socialistic work is totally free of cost. There is no cost at all involved at all. So kindly register yourself to Karnataka Diabetic Brigade. Thanks for watching this video from my center, that is Dr. Arvind Diabetes Center, Basaveshwar Nagar, Bengaluru. Wish you all the good luck, good success. Maintain your health. Namaskar.